What's going on, everybody? Your average sneaker guy is back with another video. Today I woke up and decided to go check out the Nike outlet since it's been a minute. But first, before we get into the vlog, make sure y'all smash that like button if you rock with your boy. If you don't, hit that dislike. I still appreciate you. Now let's go check and see. Did your boy find anything in the Nike outlet, man? What up, YouTube? We made it inside the Nike outlet. Now we about to see what they got. We're gonna start over here in the size 8 section in the men's, and we're finna show y'all what they got. We're in the size 8 right now. There's some Kyries. Some Kyries on there. Got some Elements. Let's see what else they got. Let's see, Penny 5s. They got some Air Penny 5s. Dope. In my opinion, they got some more Kyries in the black colorway. There goes some Zoom. What are these, man? Trash can water. Oh, man. Got some Giannis. These look like some bronze, I think. Wanna be Jordan 11s? I'll pass on that. Got some more Kyries. Got some more Kyries. Kyrie lows right there. Uh-oh, what is that? That's a Jordan box. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, this is Jordan 5. Let's see what we got. Okay. Y'all see it? Oh, this is Jordan 6. I forgot which one this is. It was possible, yeah. Jordan 6 Retro Q54. Size 8. There's some laces. That ain't bad, but I think they want 200 for that. I'll pass. Over here in my size now, size 10.5, 11. See what they got. Oh, they got the USA KDs. What they want, 99 for. But I don't think they have no sale today. I didn't see no sale sign, so I don't know if any of these on sale. Some more Kyries. They want 140 for those. PG4s, USA colorway, 69 bucks for those. Trash can water, don't know what those are. Oreo, black and white, PG4s, some more Kyries. They got a bunch of Kyries in here. Pass on those. Flex Megatron, pass on those. See some more Kyries, what are these? High pass on those. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything. Let me know if y'all see anything. What are these? It look like a football cleat. Look like an Air Max right here. Air Max 97, 180 for these. Take these out the box. Ooh. That's a dope colorway, but it's not my size. I think this is size 13. It's dirty, so I was gonna pass on that. But if it was my size, let's see what else they got. See what we got here. PD3 prototype. We got some PD3s. Size 13. We got some Giannis. Size 13. There's some Zoom Nikes. This is trash can. Size 14. Like over here, they got the LeBrons. In that lacy colorway, black and purple. Got a full size run. Got some more LeBrons. I think these are soldiers. Which, not feeling those. Got some Kyries. I haven't bought no Kyries in a while. I need to buy me some. Like, they got a full size run. Oh, good pass. Couple shoes. What are these? I like these. They look dope in my opinion. They want 69 bucks for them. Look like they got a couple sizes. Okay, they go my size, so I might come back and check those out. And on this side, we got some flights. Nike Air Flights. 79 bucks for those. Those not bad. Box. Air Force Ones. Want some Air Forces? They got a full size of those for $109 pass. Oh man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Y'all made it this far in the video. As y'all can see, they had a bunch of Kyries, KDs, a bunch of Paul George, and they even ran into a Jordan 6 on Q54, but they wanted like 200 bucks, and they didn't my size 8, so I passed on those. But besides that, they really didn't have too much in them, but I will give them some credit. It was better than the last time I came. This used to be one of the hot spots down with nothing but heaters, but ever since COVID-19 hit, they went downhill. But today, I was kind of impressed with some of the kits that they have. So maybe things will get back to normal this year. I am calling 2021 next level. So maybe everything will get back to normal this year. But I truly appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button and help your channel out. And if that red subscribe button is still red, y'all need to turn that gray and come join the Average Sneaker Guy Nation. We on this road to 5,500. So if y'all haven't, make sure y'all come join the team. I'm gonna be pushing out these videos and whatnot. And with that being said, I'm your Average Sneaker Guy, where the average don't stand for average. And I'm out, baby. Hold up, I almost forgot. Make sure y'all turn on those notifications, man, because you're not going to want to miss my next what I'm rocking today, what you rocking today. But what I'm rocking today, y'all not going to want to miss that, but I'm out for real. Peace.
Your average sneakers, your average sneaker guy, your average sneakers, your average sneaker guy, hey, your average sneaker guy. Every on feet on fire, they like oh me, oh my, for your average.